Rajesh here from Ashlok Safe Earthing Electrodes Limited. We handle from Chennai. Is our manufacturing unit called Ashlok Safe Earthing Electrodes Limited, Baron Minerals Private Limited. So two verticals. We are specialized in designing, supply and installation of earthing electrodes and lightning protection system. Rather selling, we are more into solution providing. So any BOQ, depending upon client, we work with them very closely. What is required, and only for that we do all these three, like design, supply and installation. So this is our main portfolio. This company is a 24-year-old company. We are the first people to do this kind of a concept in India, apart from conventional. And we are good in and also manufacturers of lightning protection system, which is of early streamer emission, which covers 107-meter radius coverage, and which we have got conventional lightning protection called CLP, Faraday cage system. We are expertise in that. This is all in-house manufactured, and we live with the client and start doing and supplying across India. And across in Hyderabad, we have in Raniganj, that is the main market of electronic market, electrical market. We have our associate called Alpha Associates. They are about 15 months old, and they are doing a fair good business covering entire Telangana and Andhra Pradesh. So this is what we are doing. This is our bread and butter. So looking forward to.